Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Today we're going to answer just a few questions that you may have, and hopefully that will help you out. So we'll get started with our first question, is where does our Thrive food come from?
We deal with a lot of local farmers so that we can control how things are grown. A lot of it is within the US, but we do have, of course, our tropical fruits like the pineapple, bananas that come from Mexico.
Yeah, so we keep it pretty local so that we have the high quality standard which has to be maintained with Thrive food.
But we always make sure that when we pick our product, it's always picked and then freeze dried within a couple hours after picking, so it locks in all that nutrients.
So it's picked ripe.
So. Is Thrive Life's food organic?
Some of the food is organic and it's labeled organic, but some of it is not. But because of this 40-step Nutri-Lock process, it's such a high standard that it even surpasses some of the organic certifications. So they search for a high quality product. That's what they're searching for. And that's why some of it is and some of it is not.
Mm-hmm. And our produce is, well, with that 40-step process, it's called our Nutri-Lock. It is washed and tested multiple times before it ever goes into our cans. So it is high quality product.
And we'll go right into the other question, which is what we started to touch on, is what is Nutri-Lock? So our Nutri-Lock is a process. It's a 40-step process from the grower all the way to packing to certify that you're getting the highest quality product. And so if that product from the farmer and the crop is not meeting the demands that Thrive Life have for this certification, then they will not buy the crop, and then we will be temporarily discontinued or temporarily out of stock, for that particular product. So once the growers produce it again, it meets the standard, then it's back in stock.
Can families with allergies and special dietary needs eat Thrive Life foods? Yes. We have a lot of our products are just simple, clean ingredients, just single ingredients on our cans. So pineapple is just pineapple. It's not cross-contaminated with a bunch of nuts and things like that. So it is safe. We've got a lot of, we have to be very specific with what's in our cans.
And they're single item products. So if you have pineapple, that's all there is. If you have strawberries or spinach or kale, that's all it is.
No colors, no additives, nothing else in there. So yeah.
So it's very safe. How long does freeze-dried food last? So freeze-dried foods generally will last about 25 years in a can. And then it could be, once it's opened, it's between 1 to 2 years, depending on the product.
Yeah, and the humidity, because your climate's a lot more humid. You're closer to the coast than we are, and we have a really dry area. So I've had chicken sit on my shelf for 2 years. Not saying that will for you, because depending on where you are, and as long as no moisture gets into the cans, it'll stay good right up until you use it. It will soften a little with time if you have it on your shelf for a long time, but when I have things that do that, I just blend it together in a smoothie. I mean, not meat. I blend meat, but it's still totally fine as long as no moisture gets in, no bacteria can grow.
Do you offer vegetarian or gluten-free options? Of course, all our food is individually packaged, so strawberries are strawberries, spinach is spinach, and most of it, of course, is gluten-free. So yeah, we do provide those options, and you pick and choose. So the vegetarian option, of course, is there, because if you're getting the spinach and that's all you want to eat, then that's all you're getting in that can.
And on our cans, it'll say GF for gluten-free and V for vegetarian, and so you can see those options on our can. Can I get free shipping? Yes, you can get free shipping. We have what's called our delivery service, and with a delivery service, when you spend $100 or more in your shipment, you get free shipping. And that could be if you're spending $200, $500, you will qualify for the free shipping as long as it's ordered through the delivery. The delivery also gets you wholesale pricing. So you're not paying that retail price, you're getting wholesale pricing and free shipping. So just make sure your shipment is at $100 or more.
And with the delivery too, if you need to take a break for a month or so, you just have to go in there and change and skip the date, and then you can move on to the following month. And so it gives you a lot of flexibility to be able to select the items. And you got to keep in mind too that you will continue to get the same product every month if you don't pop in there and make a change to your delivery, because I do know that some people forget to change their items. You could pick whatever you want from the grocery store every single month, so you don't have to get the same thing over and over
But
and
it's
over
true.
again.
You can pause or skip a shipment anytime you want. And you also get a reminder email about a week before your shipment comes out so that you can make any changes before your shipment comes out. So
Yeah.
it's pretty awesome. I don't have to think about getting my
Yeah.
Ruby every month. It just automatically comes and I can control exactly what it gets. So
And we can always help you with that too if you need. So
those are just some questions that we were asked, and so we just wanted to answer them here so that you can learn a little bit more. If you have any other questions, you can comment below and we will be sure to answer those for you.
that's right. So just give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video. So
Thanks
thank
for
you for
watching.
joining, and remember, you can do this too.